talk about Raven. Raven is your respiratory oils. When you think of Raven, you want to think of respiratory system. Now, the reason why this is a good respiratory blend oil is because it has peppermint, it has wintergreen, it has eucalyptus, and what I like to do is put it in my diffuser. So let's say I'm feeling congested or I have a cough or my kids have a cough, I'll put some drops in their diffuser and just let them breathe it in all night. I also like to put it in a roller, and then I'll apply it to the bottoms of my feet, my kids' feet, roll it all along the chest and down the spine. And that's a really good way to do that, and just put some drops in a roller, fill it with coconut oil or fractionated coconut oil. And I'll do a video on how to do a roller, so see that video. You can also just take a drop and you can just put it on your chest and breathe it in. So we're utilizing our using essential oils topically and aromatically when we're talking about Raven. So it's pretty amazing. So those are your tips on Raven. All right, on to the next one.